We got MSI GF63 laptop, gaming laptop here that we need to work on the board, and we're trying to disassemble that. And I just want to show you that the modern laptops are going worse and worse in design, and they are making them non-serviceable. Initially, the CPU could have been pulled off the board, and the GPU was on a separate board. Now it is all soldered to the motherboard. That's one thing. Another thing is, on the newer ones, they got even solid state drive soldered to the board. Everything is soldered to the board now. So any one component goes bad on this board, if it's not something simple, it's basically a replacement. It's going to cost a lot of money because it has a graphics card, and if it's a discrete graphics card and it's a fancy graphics card, the chip itself is probably going to cost a half of the board. Count another CPU in there, and there you go, full price of the board. Now what I wanted to show you is that this board has a connector something like this underneath the battery from another side. And there is no way to reach that unless we pull the battery up, and the battery is glued. You know, they put that double-sided sticky tape on it, and they put the battery on when they manufacture that and assemble. So if we need to pull the board out, we need to pull the battery out, and if it's sticking really hard, then we will damage the battery because there is no other way of pulling it. So we need to replace the battery now just because we couldn't pull the board out. Otherwise we would save the battery and it will be fine, but it's not the case. So I'm going to try to peel it off as accurately as I can, but the board sits really deep in there. It's probably like an inch underneath the battery right there. And like I said, there is a flex cable like right over here from the bottom of the board that I can't really reach in any way. I try to lift it from this side, but I can't really lift it enough to disconnect it. So the only way to get that out, to get the board out, is to pull the battery off. I don't know what designers are thinking, with the exception of maximum profits. You break a little bit of it, or it burns a little bit, and it's just gonna go to trash. It's getting harder and harder to work on them. Even disassembly, simple disassembly, is getting real pain in the butt now. Don't buy gaming laptops. If you want a game, buy a freaking desktop.